Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Yes, on me getting ready for Disney's Food and Wine Festival that they hold in Epcot every year. I'm so excited. So I grabbed this tote, right? The Minnie and Mickey has all crazy, right? Back in February, I feel like. And even when I got it, oh, look at that. Mm-hmm. That's cute. Even when I grabbed it, it was 35. I said in the TJ video, I'm going to be going back to Disney sooner than you think because remember we had just gotten back after Christmas. So, yes on this. I wanted to show you before I started packing everything up what was rocking. So, remember the Lululemons that I got for me and the girls? So, I'm going to take this bag, throw that across, right? I need to be hands-free always. Always hands-free. So, I was thinking about taking Sis. Remember, hers is red. I think I'm going to stay with this one, though. I did. So, remember when I went to the Coach outlet? I was specifically looking for these, but they didn't have them. So, I ordered them. But yes, on the Mickey slides, right? So, Disney and Coach did a collab. And I'm going to rock these. Remember the Touchland hand sanitizers, right? So, I'm going to throw that in the bag. I did order some things from Etsy for me and hubby. So his name, my name, right? Drinking around the world. And on the back, we could throw our favorite drinks on here. And they come with the little markers. So cute. I bought something similar. I think it was more like a passport. And I didn't get a chance to do it. I feel like that's just a me and hubby thing. So, and I did get a tattoo. So I'm going to put the tattoo on my wrist here and check off, as I go around the world and do all the things, right? So this is just, it says Epcot Food and Wine Festival. It doesn't have a year or anything, but I grabbed it from Etsy. I thought it was super cute. And it'll go on the top of my magic band. So yes on that. Here are our magic bands right here. So hubby wanted Star Wars, right? We already know how he was going to rock. So yes on that. And I just grabbed this one with Mickey on it. I love the color. It was very, neutral. And I'm about that life. So yeah, this goes right on top like this. I'll just, it has a little band on the back. And I'll just slide it right on. And it'll look like that. So yes on that. That's so super cute. So so that's how we are rocking. I'm going to start, packing some things up because it's going to be here before we know it. And it's a busy week for us. So, but yeah, we're staying a few days. So this is perfect. Oh, I forgot this was down here. When I bought this too. I think it was on clearance for like $8. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I may take that too. And I love the fact that it comes with, let me pull it out. It comes with the plastic insert, so I could throw all the toiletries in here. Like I said, we going small. It's not a lot of big things, right? So, and it's just me and hubby. So, yeah, this is perfect. It comes with this, too. Isn't that cute? For your water bottle or whatever you rock. And, oh, my goodness. So, yeah, this is how I'm going to flow for the few days that we are there, but I wanted to show you what was rocking. I almost forgot to show you the pair I wear. Remember I grabbed these? I have a black pair and these tortoise pair right here. So I'm going to take these and, if I don't want to rock anything, I don't have to. I could just wear them like that. But I do have the different, if I want to throw these on, I could rock like that, right? Throw these on. They're so super cute, right? These are some Star Wars rocking. Throw those on. Yes, on that. And some more Star Wars here. Yeah, they are fire. I love these so much. And then these are a pair of, the girls. And I see Mickey up there, Minnie. It's everybody, I feel like. They're black and white, so I'm all about that. So yes on that. So I'm good to go, right? With the pair I wear. And I'll just keep them in the case and, on the side of the bag. Yes. Hubby just came in from food shopping. Said it's helping him put the stuff away. So Miss Girl. Kraft pickle mayonnaise dressing. So I don't know. Open this. Let me smell it. Oh, it don't smell too bad. He's like, what are we gonna put this on? I don't know. We'll find something. Roasted onion and garlic pasta sauce. Yeah, just a regular. So I'm gonna get it out the bag. Oh, he's tasting it. Look at her. It's not bad.
It's actually pretty good.
Let me see. Just a little bit. Look. It's pickly. It's definitely pickly. I don't know. Hey, Miss Girl. It's all right. I don't know what we would use that on. Girl.
Maybe tuna fish?
I don't know. Girl. Some ravioli. Some nuggets for Sid. Some sauerkraut. It's rocking. Some tiny waters. Hubby always with the fun plate. So yes, on that. This is about to be rocking this week. Yes, some chips. He's pulling out all the stuff.
Which one do you want for the kitchen?
Let me see. Clean burst or Fabuloso for sure. Yeah. He said, which one do I want for the kitchen? Yeah. Fabuloso. And this is the clean burst. Wow, where is this going? Oh, this one is going. Oh, maybe I want to switch, but no, I want the Fabuloso in here. So this is going in Hershey's trash can, the one that's outside. All right, he got this, the cheese, buns. Yeah, I want this one in here. What else is rocking? Some bread. Pulling it out. Some more good, some chips. Who's this for?
Apple cider.
For Sid. Some snacks. Yeah, me and Kara, we really don't like do sweet stuff. Me and Kara do like ice cream, but that's about it. Girl, I almost stepped over her. Oh, look at my Smurfs. Yes. My Crocs that I got on vacation. Look at her. She is right there. Right where we are, she is. Chillaxing. Yeah, I can't drink this sweet stuff. I cannot. This is him and Sid all the way. There's some more in here. Pineapples, the juices. All right. Yeah, I just showed you this. Oh, I didn't know he was rocking like that. In there. And that. All right, we're good to go. Some chicken breast, some steak. I did a HelloFresh order too, so he didn't go crazy. I might just make this for Hershey, actually. Yeah, I may do that. He brought them over here. Sid's mac and cheese, some more sausage. The Bob Evans, the savory sage is my fave. So yes on that. Why he bring those over here?
That's three right
So
there.
that's 3.
And then we could do an adamant for you.
Add a thing here.
And this way you can break it up and make it smaller, make it bigger. You could do that. You could do that. Do it a single seat.
Single seat.
Yeah.
No arms
No,
though.
so if you decide to put an arm, we can do that for you also.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can do anything. You can even do it single seats, all 4 single seats with their arms completely, if you have the size.
Wow. Right. So
You can do anything you want. Anything.
So could you add one more seat to that?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then
No,
what?
one more
What?
this way.
Oh, you mean this way?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So you
Sure.
got 4 people sitting there.
Like that?
Yeah, you trying to hold it for me?
Like that?
Yeah.
And if you buy it and it's too much, we can return it without a problem. Call us with just send your labels, you put it on the back and leave it in the front.
See,
The
babe.
basement.
What, if this is a TV?
Yeah. Then we would have to do it like that. Right?
You think?
Yeah, you. Oh, yeah. How are you gonna watch it this way? You like to change it into a time.
Doesn't grow legs and walk away.
All right.
So you have enough room to do. Oh, beautiful.
And this is
That's
the
beautiful.
TV?
No problem.
Yeah, so TV will be here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So 1, 2. So we would have 8 sides.
Correct.
That's a lot.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay.
5. I mean, it's not a lot, but I'm just saying it's a lot, maybe. I don't know. So these aren't good for dogs.
Unless your dog doesn't play.
No, she's a maniac. So she'll scratch it up. What is it, velvet?
You like that high traffic?
Yeah, I like it.
High traffic, holds up warm, easy to control with your pet.
So this would be for Kara. Yeah, I like it. Like it play, you know. It's not all the same. Something's different. So this is an angle, so we want a straight back. Do we want the angle or
The only
straight
difference sometimes the
side?
angle is, you see there's a little hole here.
Yeah, it's a gap.
That bothers you?
A little.
Okay, then put the straight one on.
Yeah, this is the straight. It looks so industrial. Like, let me see the angle. You comfortable, Sid?
Your cup of coffee. Yes.
So this is, oh, I see the gap. Oh, that's not crazy. That's what he means?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So 2 chargers, right? 1, 2. The angle sides, the straight back, the subwoofer. This is
So this is
this
the
is
straight
storage.
That is correct.
So you want the straight back or the angle back?
No, I don't like the angle back.
So do you like the straight
I
back?
like the straight back, the configuration right here.
This here, right?
Because this is what Sydney is sitting on, right? Hey guys, so I fell down a whole rabbit hole with these outlet covers. It started because hubby and I were talking about, you know, just switching them out for the new space, right, in the basement. And I was like, you know what? I think I want to do some up here too. Oh my goodness, let me show you. So yes, on the one I grabbed for the coffee bar, it's so darn cute. So, and they come however you need them. So this was really quick for me to go down the rabbit hole. Look at her. So I grabbed that one and I grabbed this one for the dining room. It says, this is us, our story, our home, right? Bless this home. This is so, oh my goodness. And again, with the screws, like I had to screw it right where that U is. And it's perfect. It just changed like this whole wall. You know what I mean? So we want to do some downstairs. And I want to put one over here by the pantry. I did order it. It didn't come yet. It says like kitchen and something. You know, I love the words. So yes, on these outlet covers.
I've done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's ice cold.
All right, you guys, I'm going to end it here. I just wanted to show you I am all packed and ready to go. So it was a toss-up between my Skechers, right, my Rolling Stones, or my Hey Dudes. So I was like, you know what? These, you know how these are. They're like kind of, we not doing too much. So I was like, yeah, I better not risk it on that. I'm going to be walking around the world, so I need to be on point. So you hear Kara laughing. So yes, on the Skechers, right? That is so cute. So rocking my Lululemon. So that's going to be good to go, either crossbody or around my waist, right? The bag is ready to go. I have the Touchland on the side, Mickey rocking. I have my shades in here, right, with all the different, these are my pair eyewears, right, with all the different tops. And yeah, let me get in here real quick. So me and hubby are both packed in one compartment, right? Overhead compartment suitcase. So we are 100% rocking. So this, I'm going to stick the Lulu in here. And then as far as the plastic, right? Remember I was putting toiletries in there, girl, nix that. So I have my heating pads from the Dollar Tree. I always feel like, I don't know, it's just relaxing. You know, I have my iPad queued up. The heat is on me, right? It's the whole situation. I have my pill suitcase, right? The meds is rocking. Just in case, right? Isn't this so, this is so darn cute. So yes on that. Folding that back up. Throw that back in. And then just some other things. And I have 2 ears that I definitely am going to rock, right? My polka dots, which are my fave. And then I thought it was only fitting because I'm going to the Food and Wine Festival to wear my churros. So yes on that. Aren't they so cute? So it's at least 3 pair that I know I want and hope to find and will be coming back with me. So I can just throw them in a suitcase. But yes on that. So we are all good to go. Gonna rock my Skechers. Right. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So I'll see you soon. Yes. All right. Bye.